Hello! Rhaze here! Welcome back to my channel. Nakatayo ako ngayon, naninibago ako kasi lagi ako nakaupo sa videos ko. Anyway, I will be doing a haul video and this is gonna be a massive, huge, malaking haul videos. Marami akong papakita sa inyo guys and lahat to libre. Before I start with the actual haul, I just want to say thank you to Picodi. Picodi, I do not know if I'm pronouncing that right. It's basically a website of coupons. So if you like to shop, this is perfect. You will go to Picodi. I do not know how to pronounce that, but you will go to the website, check the deals, coupon codes before you go online shopping. And they have coupons on a lot of online stores in the Philippines, and not just Philippines, you guys. So they have Lazada, Zalora, Globe, my goodness, and then mga travel churva. And they also have deals and coupons for international websites like Macy's, eBay, ASOS. So it's perfect to check Picodi before you go buy something from an online website because you can save. I'm pretty sure I will be using this when I go back to the Philippines and shop on Philippines online website and all that. So yeah, I just want to share that with you. Thank you so much Picodi for sponsoring this video, and let's go ahead and proceed to the haul. Okay, I'm gonna start with the stuff that I got from Romper. Again, lahat ng to bigay lang sa akin. So yeah, I picked up 2 items from Romper. The first one is this Maxi Dress. I know I mentioned on my previous haul that I should stop ordering Maxi Dresses online because they don't fit me, but this one fits me. The length is perfect and I'm so happy I got it. It looks like that. It looks really chaka right now, but once I try it on, you will see that it's actually really cute on, and I like the tie on here. And yes, the fabric is really thin but not see-through at all, as you guys can see. I can see myself wearing this at airport with, like, you know, a baggy thick cardigan. Perfect. Next item from Romper. Oh my gosh, this one I really like, but this doesn't fit me. I really want to try something like this because I don't have anything like this. Boyfriend jeans, I don't have any. The reason why is the fit. They don't really fit me. But I took a risk and I was like, you know what, let me just get it. And then it didn't fit me. But you guys, the quality of this is really good for the price. It's not bad at all. Romper is one of those affordable websites, but the quality is really good. And look at those. The detailing is just legit. Look at that. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna sell this because what am I gonna do with it, right? I will leave the links of those 2 items below if you guys are interested. And yeah, thank you Romper. Next up are makeup products from Japan. Yes, you guys know na gusto kong pumunta ng Japan, but wala. I did not go to Japan, but I have some goodies from Japan. This is with the help of samurai buyers, so they will basically help you get stuff from Japan and ship it to your address. I have in here 5 makeup products. The first one I have in here is, I think, from Cosme or Kiss Me. Meron kasi dito Kiss Me and then dito naman Cosme. I have no idea. I haven't been there. I have no idea. But it looks like it's an eyeliner because I can see in here it's like an eyeliner. Look at the packaging though. The packaging is legit as well. I like that. Next one is from Canmake Tokyo. Look how cute and social looking the packaging is. It's a powder, you guys. I really like the packaging. Ooh, that feels really nice. I'm excited to try that one out. And then I also got this blush from Canmake as well. Ooh, that's so pretty. Let me open it. I honestly did not want to ruin my nails today. I just painted my nails last night and here we go again. That looks really pretty. Ooh, Allah, did I just break it? I think I just broke it, you guys. Haha, I fixed it. It came with this little brush right here that I'm not sure if I'm gonna use. I think this is too small for a blush. That actually feels alright. It looks like this. That's so pretty. And then, what is this one? This is, I have no idea what this one is. Ang cute ng packaging mo. Ano kaya ite? Ay, ang cute. Oh, it's from Canmake as well. Oh, cream cheek. So it's a cream blush, I believe. Looks like that. Ay, ang cute naman. Okay, last thing in here is from the brand. Oh, Canmake as well. Lahat sila Canmake except for the first one. Oh, it's a lipstick. Oh, it's a balm. Just kidding. Canmake Stay On Balm Rouge. like that. Kind of like a deep coral shade. Nice! I like that. I really like the packaging, the floral, oh. And that's everything from Samurai Buyer. Ay! I just broke the cream blush. I did. Anyway, that's everything from Samurai Buyer. I will leave their links below if you guys are interested to get some stuff from Japan and you do not know how. Samurai Buyer will help you. Okay, next shop is Fashion Mia. I have featured them in my previous haul. This stuff that I have right now is from them. This is my favorite out of all the clothing that I got from them. This is my favorite. How cute is that though? Like, so summery, though it's really cold outside. Next one is a romper. It looks like this, very floral, and it's a maroon romper. It's a little big on me, but I can do something, like I can do some sewing action on that one and it will be fine. This one is big on me as well, but I really like this. It's again a romper. Looks like this. It's off the shoulder romper. Ooh, love. And yeah, looks like that. Next one is a maxi dress. Hahaha. This one doesn't fit me at all. It's way too big, but yeah, I'm not sure if I can do something with it. Like if I can fix it, I'm not sure. But it looks really cute on the website. That's why I decided to get it. I cannot try everything on for you guys, so I'm just gonna flash pictures from the website because most of the stuff that I got didn't really fit me. It's a bummer, but the quality is really good. Like this one, I can see myself wearing sa resort, somewhere, sa beach, but I cannot because it doesn't fit me. And it's really long as well. So yeah, too long, too big, not working. Next one is another romper. This is sunflower. Hahaha. Oops. Looks like that. It's really cute. Medyo see-through siya ng konti, but not bad at all actually. I mean, yeah, I can see myself wearing this like sa beach as well. Kailan pa kaya ako pumunta ng beach? Ano na? And it has that pom-pom details right here. So cute. Okay, next one is another maxi dress. Dang, I should stop. I need to stop. I need to stop choosing maxi dresses because it's just not working. Like 99% of the time, it just doesn't fit me. Again, I will flash a picture for you guys to see how it will look like. I decided to choose this because I really like the color. Pero yeah, hindi siya magkasya sa akin. Naglagay-lagay niya. Nakakainis na nga eh. This one fits me and I actually like it. I tried it on and Danny Boy likes it as well. It looks like this. Ooh, it looks like parang shirt ng mga lola natin, no? But it's a romper. And it's actually cute on. Parang tsaka lang yung print niya. Pero I swear, it's cute on. I will show you guys a try on. And that's the last thing from Fashion Mia. Again, links will be below if you guys are interested. Okay, next up are the stuff that I got from Gearbest. You know na Gearbest. I always feature Gearbest on my videos. The first thing that I got from Gearbest is this one right here. It kind of looks like this, but not really. I super duper like it. And it's in, oh, it's stripes as well. It's obviously blue and white stripes. Nandito na si Dan. Hello! Hi! Look at the inside, you guys. Meron siyang parang line sa loob. But actually, I don't think you need it because hindi naman siya see-through. Like, it's not see-through at all. But that's a good touch right there. Next one is swimsuit. Remember the last haul? The pair of swimsuits that I got didn't really fit me. And no, yeah, it didn't fit me. Tapos it was broken as well. So I told them about that and they said they will replace it. So this is the replacement. And this one, I haven't tried it. By just looking at it, I'm pretty sure it will fit me. Oh my gosh, this is so sexy. I cannot try this on camera. It should look like that. Yes. And then the bottoms, this I'm kind of, yeah, it should fit me. Looks like it will fit me. And tignan nyo yung details niya dyan. It has like the strappy, nice detail right there. I like. There's more from Gearbest, you guys. The first one is this one right here. I see something like this, very similar. Actually, it looks identical. From Sephora, I'm not sure what they call that though. This one is from Kingdom, same brand dun sa hair straightener na sinend nila sa akin and sa ano din, steamer din. So this one looks like that. I have not tried this one yet. You turn it on and then it will vibrate. It's supposed to help you apply your cleanser, I believe. And then they also sent me this one. I really like the steamer that they sent me the last time, so they decided to send me a huge ass one. Looks like that. So This one you cannot bring with you, like put in your bag, kasi ang laki-laki niya. Ito, hindi ko pa siya na-try as well, but it looks like this. Dito lumalabas yung steam, and you're supposed to like put it somewhere and then just put your face like that. Yeah. I do not know when I'm gonna try that yet because I'm actually really enjoying the small steamer that they sent me. That's everything from Gearbest. Links will be below as usual. And then I have some stuff in here from Feb or FEB. They have some bags and they also sent me a watch. They sent me, I do not know how many bags, but this is the first one. I really like the Paisley? Yeah, I think that's a print. Is that the print name? I do not know. It also comes with a strap. I like the hardware actually. Gusto ko yung mga gold hardware sa mga bags ko. And then the next one is pretty much the same but just different colors. Same paisley print, same gold hardware. Again, it comes with a strap. And I'm gonna show you guys the inside because it's actually lined. Oh! It's actually lined really nicely. The quality of this is actually not bad at all. Like, look at the inside. 2 pockets in there and then 1 zippered pocket right here. Next one is a backpack. It looks like this, so it's just a backpack. I do not know what else to say about this one. It's just a backpack. Next bag is this one. It's just black with the Feb logo in gold. The inside has 1 zippered compartment. And yeah, the quality is really good. I can see myself like bringing this to the grocery if you're not really shopping that much. Like, you know, put some beer in there, I guess. Looks like that. Oh, that's actually not bad at all. That actually looks alright. This one I like. It looks like that. It's very simple. Then I like that it has a zipper right there para secure yung mga stuff. And then the inside is just white. So it has 2 pockets in there and then 1 pocket right there. The quality is really good as well. It's thick and you can really feel that like it will last long. And then the last thing is a watch. Oh, it says Feb London right there. That's a cute container for a watch. I usually don't wear watches because I don't know, I just don't. I like that it's black in here and then white here. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, it kind of matches my top. Ha! They have an Instagram account. I will leave that below. I'm not sure if they have a website. I need to check. If they do, I will leave the link below as well. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do not forget to check Picodi for you to get deals and coupons before you go shopping online sa Philippines. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like the video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye!